Okay, folks, here we have a 2014 manufactured. Actually, it's a manufactured in July of 2014. This is a 4x30 gun barrel, holds 64 barrels of fluid. I'm sorry, this is a 4x30. I think I just said 4x20, but this is a 4x30 made by Patterson. And shell looks in really good shape. These are typically 3/16 on your shell. Your bottom, or your sides, your bottom is a 1/4 inch. Really good condition. Look at that there. So she's in good shape. See if we can get a video of the inside of this guy. I don't know how. Probably not gonna see anything. Oh yeah. There you go. Look at that there. There's your bottom. All right. This is a good deal. Oh, there's that tag. Let's see if we can see that. There you go. All right. There you have it.